Hey girl, help me finish putting this lace wig on because it's been a couple days and I'm getting straight, but I'm going to end up curling it. Now, as you can see, I did not do the sides. In the middle there, you see that right there? Ooh, that's that milk. So we got to do that to the rest of this thing. So I cut one side already. I got to cut this one because it's been on my ear all day. And let's see here. We just got to tug on it, make sure it's fitting nicely. Lines up on the sides. Make sure that back's secure. Secure. See how it's moving a little bit? Yeah, we got to get that together. So part this little side here. Now look, don't be paying attention to my little eyelash because I know it's out there. Now I try to cut this little piece right here. I done this 100 times, but for some reason it was giving me a little bit of trouble. I probably should use better scissors. But anyway, I got it together. So swoop that behind the ear. Make sure it lines up. Brush this back. So I can really get the hairs out the way and really line it up properly. That's my eBon glue. And then my lace melt bond from eBen. I got my alcohol so I can get rid of the oils and debris and any dirt, even though I wash my face. Now bow, 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 bow. Put that glue on there. Hold it down. Brush it back to make sure the hairs don't be in the way. Put a little more because I needed it now. I was getting some in my eye. Eyes was irritated from the alcohol and the glue, but we're not going to say nothing about that. Put my stretch band on there and just wait. Now, while we waiting, we're going to go ahead and take care of this eyelash because I could not look at that thing no more. Now, I'm not going to put my eyeball in your face like that because nobody wants to see anybody's eyeball that close. Now, I used my man's tweezers and then I had to switch it to mine because do we really know what men be doing in the bathroom? Like, really, what do y'all be doing? So I went and got my own, cleaned it up. Now, I usually go ahead and secure this down with glue on top, but I didn't feel like I needed to do that this time because I wanted the lashes to look more natural and it just wasn't really that serious. It's not like I'm going anywhere. Now, I know y'all see all that ash right there. Look, that's what the lace melt is for. That's what the alcohol is for. That's what the hot comb is for. I'm going to take care of that because you see all those little hairs right there? Even though I brushed them back, they still made their way to the front. So guess what? We're going to take care of that. I had to brush this side, put glue on this side, and lay this piece down. Bow. Spread it around. Now, my eye was super irritated on this side when I did it. I don't know why. So I had to go ahead and close that thing up. You see how neat it's getting? Okay. Y'all see me? Okay. Put my little band on so I can lay it down. Bam. Bam. Now look, this is probably the most tedious part because you really have to just really keep brushing and brushing and combing and brushing and get that wax out. Now look, be very generous with the wax because when that hot comb get in there, you just want it to slide out. Now I burnt myself first try, and I ain't gonna lie, I was scared the whole rest of the way because I did not want to do that again. But really, this is the part that really takes the most. So just put on some music and just really go in because this is really what's going to make it. Ooh, you see that? That thing ain't budging. Okay. But yeah, just keep going in with that hot comb. Like, keep going in over and over and over and over. As you can see, I'm really up in that thing. So I told myself I was going to curl this wig, but it wasn't taking the curl. And it was kind of hurting my head, so I gave up. I found my favorite bonnet from Pick and Comb, Artist Creator Human. I need to get me a new one because obviously you can see it's old. It's winter time, so keep your lips hydrated. I put my Laneige lip mask on, so night guys. Thanks for watching.